For this process, you will need the following tools: a 2mm Allen key and a 2.5mm Allen key. To change the extruder board, first turn the printer off and disconnect the power cable for safety reasons. Remove the two screws holding the connection cover and slide this piece up. Disconnect all the cables from the extruder board, the hot end, the Z-axis end stop, the cooler fan, and the layer fan. Also, carefully open the clip of the flat cable and disconnect it. Unfasten the two screws to remove the extruder board's support. Remove the two screws holding the extruder board, making sure to keep the nylon washers. Install the new extruder board back in place, aligning the washers in position first. Afterwards, secure it with the screws. Place the assembly over the hot end and connect the cables again. Reinstall the connection cover into place, making sure that the fan cables as well as the hot end are back in their proper position.